Hello everyone, my name is Jeff. I'll be your spokesperson for this short and hopefully informative video. I'm from theboxman.com and also the Stream Machines, where we take the difficult things of streaming and help you one video at a time. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Yoka Ipx3 and its new added features that make it a game changer. So let's take a look. Okay, my friends, thank you for tuning in on this weekend on a Sunday. If this is your first time to our YouTube channel, thank you for being here. Also, if you want to share it with someone you care about or give me a thumbs up and add a like for me, that really helps me out with the growth of the channel, so to speak. And I appreciate everyone that tunes in. This is a device I've shown a few times, but there's a few of them, and this is actually the Yokatv Ipx3. This is their biggest device so far, with a lot of great changes, and they recently added some things to it to make it really do a great job. So I want to show you what some of those things are, and also open up one of the applications that I use for some TV called Philo, so you can see how smooth it is, and with all the RAM and all of the specifications, this is a very, very smooth device. So one of the things they really added was an EPG, electronic programming guide, and also a way to schedule recordings. And I'm going to show you that right now. So let's go ahead and open up Yoka Ipx3 and we will go from there. Once I do that, I'm going to blur out some things. You're going to see I've landed on my favorite here, which is AccuWeather. I'm going to make that full screen if I could. And that's it there. When I press the Yoka button, you'll get this menu on the bottom, from refresh to change the audio, subtitles, which it does very well, the specs or the original on the TV. I can record, that'll show. I can even time shift, which I'll show in another video. But also if I go all the way over to the three dots, I'll press OK. Then you're going to see where it says All EPG, Electronic Programming Guide. This wasn't here before their recent update. And with their recent update, you're able to see this in real time. I'm going to press OK, and it should open up the AccuWeather right there, the programming for it. And let me do something different so I can see some different things on this channel. Okay. Now I was able to open it up so I can show you the rest of the channels instead of my favorite. As you can see in the guide, I have AccuWeather where I'm at. If I go down, you'll see some different options for programming. You'll see Weather Nation, Weather Spy, all the way down. If I was going to go to the weather channel, push to the right, you can see that this channel here is Claw Hunters. If I push to the right here and then I press the yellow button, as it says on the bottom, to set recording, when I do this, you're going to get an option of what you're going to record. It gives you the task name, the duration, it's 3 hours, frequency once, the date, and all that. If I wanted to change this to where I wanted to do it more than once, I can do it weekly or once. And then I can also save it there so you can begin recording. So they added this to give us a good view of some of the best things when it comes to these types of streamers. A lot of them do record, and I have recorded some great things on it, but I wanted to show you in the next video a couple of the recordings that I've done. But in this video, I just wanted to show you what they've actually added, which is really impressive here. If I wanted to cancel this, I could, and I could go to something else, okay? You can look even down a little bit. Look how long that is. If I go down to the bottom here, hang on, I think I'm right here. If I go down to Sinister Storm, same thing. I could press the yellow button, and there it is there. This is an hour long, but it tells you exactly when it starts and when it finishes. So you can set the recordings, which is awesome. I'm going to hit the back button, and that is something that really stands out. Let me go ahead and hit the home button again. So not only did they do the EPG, but they also gave you a chance to do some set recordings. One of the other things I liked about this, I don't know if I showed this in the last one, I believe I did, is the home launcher settings. You can change the launcher settings. There's more settings. And this is one of the most powerful things here, and I'll explain. The CEC control is very, very powerful. It helps you control the device to control the volume of your TV or audio system with one remote. When you switch all of these on, this device searches your device by itself, and it will switch them on automatically based on when you first connected on what it's supposed to do. So in other words, when you first connect this device, it will scan your TV and make the necessary adjustments here. I've been doing this a long time for my TV, and I turn on all of these for me. But the device will turn on what they think is best for you. And if you want to come back in and change this or add to it or take away something, be my guest. But this gives you complete control of one remote control to control both devices. And I think that's one of the best things out there. Let me go ahead and hit the home button again. The last thing I'm going to show while we're here is just one of the paid apps that I use called Philo. I think it's Philo. I pay about $33 a month for 3 connections and unlimited DVR. I really like this. This is more for my senior customers because there's so much good TV where we offer our services as tech support, customer support, where they will purchase this for $33 a month, and we will give them unlimited support, videos, tech support, answer their calls because it has an unlimited DVR. One of the things I like about this application is it's very, very clean, crisp. It runs the way it's supposed to, and you can even save or even go to the series with watch options removed from the list. And with an unlimited DVR, it just plays very clean. And so you can see how good the picture quality is on this device. And I really love this application. And so does my customers who are very seasoned, if you will. They want something that is legal. They want something that they get our support, and we're able to do that. So even on the Yokatv Ipx3, a great application like this will run very, very well. I mean, you have all of these channels on Philo. So this has plenty of TV for you to look at, especially when you're my age at MeTV. That's already included in this. So has a lot of the shows that I grew up with. With that said, I'm going to go ahead and close out this video. I invite you to take a look at the Yokatv Ipx3. We do resell these. I do have a website where they're on, and an updated a site that's being updated as we speak. Some of my customers have upgraded to this, and I've had nothing but great reviews. And being in connection with the manufacturer, it just helps out to have really good devices that are easy to operate and don't require Google or Amazon to sideload. So that's a really big thing. So with that said, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I look forward to making the new one when I show you more of the recordings. But right now, I appreciate you more than you know. And oh, by the way, don't keep us a secret. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.